This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin C toner at home. This simple DIY recipe offers a fresh, natural way to enhance your skincare routine. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can brighten your complexion, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and protect your skin from environmental stressors. It's an easy and effective addition for healthier, glowing skin. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of pure L-ascorbic acid powder, which is the active form of vitamin C. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of distilled or filtered water. For an extra hydrating boost, consider adding 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Finally, have a small, dark glass spray bottle ready for mixing and storage. Now, let's mix your toner. First, pour the 2 tablespoons of distilled water into your clean spray bottle. Carefully add the 1/4 teaspoon of L-ascorbic acid powder. Shake the bottle gently until the powder is completely dissolved, ensuring no granules remain. If using, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin and shake again. Your fresh toner is almost ready. Using your homemade vitamin C toner is simple. After cleansing your face, lightly mist the toner onto your skin once daily. Always follow up with your favorite moisturizer and, during the day, a broad-spectrum sunscreen. For optimal freshness, store your toner in the refrigerator. Remember, it's best to use this fresh solution within 7 to 10 days for maximum potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.